Hey everybody, this is Paul with CDA. I'm going to go ahead and just give you a very quick demo on how CDA interacts with Nextiva. And so what we do is that when your customers are in the phone queue, after a minute or two, what we'll do is we will send them a CDA Pidgins text message letting your customers know that they do not need to wait on your phone queue, but that they can actually hang up the phone and carry on a conversation via text message with your call center agents. So I'm going to go ahead show you a brief demo on how that works. Okay, so here we are. Your customer is on the phone queue, probably been in the phone queue for, let's just say, 5 or 10 minutes. And now what's going to happen is this customer is going to get a text message. And there it is. The customer just got a text message letting them know, hey, did you know you can talk to one of our call center agents instead of waiting in the phone queue? The customer is more likely going to hang up and say, absolutely. Here's my problem. And this is going to be a typical scenario that you see in your call center where GE shipped the parts to the customer, parts still haven't arrived, but yet the customer wants to know, hey, when's your technician going to show up to repair my unit, even though I still don't have the parts? And so of course your agent is going to say, one moment while they look that up. And so what you've seen is that the customer was in the phone queue, and because you're using Nextiva and because you have CDA, we're able to look into your phone queue, get your customers off the phone and get them into a texting conversation, which really eliminates the frustration of them waiting on hold. And so all of this can be achieved when you are using CDA and CDA Pidgins.